I'm really nervous about this MOT. This is going to be the first drive of the car properly, to drive it to the MOT centre. I'm pooping myself more about the drive than the MOT, but should be fine. Needs a bit of choke. There we go. Let's go. Ready for the first drive to the MOT test. Past the MOT! So I don't know if you can hear me, but yes, past the MOT. Not any real issues. Really impressed by everything underneath being so new. So yeah, really happy. So yeah, amazing. Right, I'm back in the garage. Yeah, passed. Yeah, I'm super happy. Super happy. So that means Thursday we'll go for IMM, and the only thing I need to worry about is breaking down. I did have to lean. You do have to lean the car about a little bit to get through emissions. So yeah, but all the rest, braking absolutely amazing. Discs on the front worked really good. So yeah. Happy days!